Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Paula Akana in for Pamela and Gary. A young woman today described a nightmare of kidnapping, violence, and rape. But a defense attorney says she shouldn't be believed, partly because she's a prostitute. KITV's Daryl Huff joins us live with tonight's top story. Daryl.
Paula, 21-year-old John Vecoso is accused of kidnapping and raping two prostitutes under eerily similar circumstances. Both women describe a Jekyll and Hyde personality.
The two young women both worked Kukui Street downtown. The first to testify says John Vecoso picked her up in a truck and almost immediately began punching and threatening her.
He was just asking me if I had ever been raped before. I told him that I have kids, and he said he didn't care.
As he sped up the Polly, she looked for a chance to jump.
I've been on enough bad dates to not commit suicide, you know? So you always look at the speedometer and...
She met his blows with kicks and saw her last chance as he turned off at the Polly lookout.
I think that's where people go to die.
She jumped and rolled in the gravel.
Even though she felt her collarbone was broken and she was bleeding from her head and her legs, she tried to run across Polly Highway and get someone's attention, but no one would stop for her. She says when she fell and Vecoso grabbed her by the hair, she knew she couldn't escape.
As he drove toward the windward side, the nightmare resumed.
He would stop and then try to get me to do oral sex and stuff. And then I was just crying and I was just like, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. There was this one time, I just said a Hail Mary. And that was the time that he hit me the worst.
At Wanawilly School, she says he raped her, and she caught a semen sample on her shirt, which she identified in court today.
Can you just recognize what this is?
Yeah, that's my shirt.
Okay.
The prosecutor says the other alleged victim tells a very similar story and also made sure there was DNA evidence. But Vecoso's lawyer says the two women are lying, pointing out that their profession is illegal and they complained because he says Vecoso didn't pay them. Reporting live, Daryl Huff, KITV4, Island Television News.